Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account on AOL. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.aol.com and hit enter. After the home page of AOL opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a login/join button. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the login/join button, you'll be directed to another page. In this page, you will have to find the create an account option and click on it. Once you click on the create an account option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your name here, your email address here, your password here, your mobile number here, your birth date here, your gender here, and then click on continue. Once you click on the continue button, and if you have filled in those credentials correctly, you'll be signed up for AOL. I hope this video helped you to create an account on AOL. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.